Remember how I said I was going to refinish those wheels myself? And remember how I said that I was gonna paint them silver? I might have lied. So as much as some of you were probably excited about the silver, I know there were quite a few of you that were stoked about the white, and we did stick with white. I realized that I had spent about $100 of materials and got almost one wheel done. I said, how much do I want to spend on this? I went and dropped it off at a wheel refinishing company here in my area called Kwiksilver Wheel Repair. They did an amazing job. I spoke with them, they were confident they could do it. They had never seen wheels made in Russia. They had never seen wheels that were this light. And they repaired the lips, they stripped everything down, and I mean, they look perfect. They suggested white because their white was going to be more durable than the silver they had, and it was also a different process for the silver. So I went ahead and stuck with white. It's basically the way they came still, so I'm good with that. I like to keep things original. Two of the wheels were very bent, and they went ahead and straightened those out. I'll put in the little clips right here. But they straightened those wheels out. They also powder coated them. So I went with a powder coat and initially was going to go with paint, but decided to go with the powder coat if they were confident that they could do it. And I mean, they look amazing, like genuinely like perfect. They're brand new outside of the, outside barrels being dirty. Look at how like perfect this is. I don't know if you guys remember, I'll put in some clips here, but these wheels were pretty thrashed and they look absolutely brand new. You can still see the little stamping on the back of the lip right here. I'm just genuinely amazed at how well they turned out. And also, if you couldn't tell, I mean, one hand, like, no problem. These wheels are so light. It's absolutely crazy. And yeah, now we can put them on. We're gonna put them on in this video. But right now, we need to put on stickers. We need to put on our valve stems, and then we need to go and put the tires on, and then we put them on the car. All right, there we are. All of our stickers are on. And they're looking way better already, like they were, like they're supposed to. There's multiple stickers that you can run on these. They have like barrel stickers, they have other stickers. I have a set of the spec stickers coming that go on the inside of the barrel. Those will go on in this video too. I'll put them on in just a second. And as far as valve stems go, these are from a company called ICB, and they are a dealer of the new style Regas. So these are for their new Regas, not for the OG Regas like these, but otherwise they're gonna work fine and it's gonna match. And they had silver or black. I went with silver. Silver typically comes with white wheels. So let's throw these on and I'll show you the final result. Valve stems are on, all four looking good. I'm so excited. Go down in the comments right now and let me know if you're excited. Otherwise, let's keep going. Here's our barrel stickers that are gonna go on the inside of the wheels. Put them on. All right, and inner barrel stickers are on. They look really nice. I mean, as they should. Very, like I said, they're replicas, but they are there by design as they're supposed to come. So we basically have our set of a refreshed Desmond Regamaster Evo 1's. I'm stoked. Let's put the tires in. All right, guys, I'm just back from the same wheel place that did the refinishing on the wheels. And I went back to do the tires. I was on my way to the other tire shop that I went to get the tires off, and I was just thinking, like, I don't know, I didn't want to take the chance. I figured you know, they were like pretty adamant about how to get the tires on without chipping the powder coat. And I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go back to the same place. They probably were gonna do it for the same exact price anyways. I'm glad I did because, I mean, they came out perfect. There's no scuffs on the wheels. You know how normally, you know, when you get like tires put on, they'll be all nasty and like they use all that lubricant and things like that. Not in this case. So we've got all of them on. They cleaned them up nicely. They took all the stickers off. They really went above and beyond for me. And that's shops like that, you just know you're at the right place. You maybe spend a little bit more, but it's so worth it. So let's get these in, and obviously we're gonna put them on the car. So let's do it. So these are balanced, straightened. I mean, these are like brand new. They're basically brand new. Another thing that they did that I really like is they will paint the wheel weights to just kind of blend in a little bit more. Oh, they look so good. I can't wait to put them on. Let's get the car in and do it. Here's one side done. You can see fitment on the front. Since we didn't really test it, I mean, pretty much the same. We just get a little bit of a better tire profile than compared to the stretch on the 9's. So 9's to 8's, 235, still 235. And it turned out perfect. And the rears are as good as they test fit back when we did it in the other video. And they came out really nicely. A little bit more tire profile as well than the stretch right here, from the 9.5 to the 9. So really not that much difference. Same tire size, and it looks so awesome. I do love the white wheels. It's grown on me, especially with them all clean and everything like that. Oh, this car is a presence. I'm just gonna cut to doing the other side real quick, and then we'll jump back in once all the wheels are on, but I'm super stoked. Can't wait to show you guys the finished product. So hang tight for just a second. I'll see you in a minute. Oh my God, I am so happy and excited right now. This looks so awesome. It just works with the car so well. I'm surprised the white works as well as it does. It's like, it's very flashy. It's a little flashy for me even, but it works. I like it. And that fitment around, it could be more aggressive, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good, all things considered. It's not like wheel flush, but it is pretty much tire flush. It looks so good. Oh my God. And for tire reference, we are running a set of Yokohama Advan Flavas? I don't know. They're a summer tire. It's gonna work well. I drive this car a lot, like to work and things like that when it cools off, so I didn't want like an aggressive 200 treadwear tire. These are gonna work for what I wanna do with it. It is a street car still. I want it to be comfortable. I want it to work well. I want it to also, you know, perform. And these tires, they should be fine for what we're doing. Better than the old ones. But for now, we're gonna say goodbye to the Enkei RPF 1's. Throw them up on the shelf, and they're gonna be a decoration. Oh, I also had to pick up a Desmond Regamaster flag because why not? There it is. Awesome. I'm so stoked. I'm just gonna go ahead and close the video out here. I'm super excited. I can't explain it any more than that. I've said I'm happy, I've said I'm excited. It's just, I mean, This car is so good. I love the way it looks, and like all of this has happened like in the last couple years. Couldn't imagine. Mind blowing. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll definitely get some more shots in the future. Check out my Instagram. I'm going to be posting a ton of pictures. It's at Colored in Light, so go follow me there. And otherwise, yeah, stay tuned for what we have coming up next, because the UPS truck just pulled up and there's something super cool that I got in the mail. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you guys then.